Welcome to aminacademy.com. Let us do Tamil Nadu SSLC Maths Textbook Unit Exercise 1, question number 8. If f of x equal x minus 1 over x plus 1, where x is not equal to 1, show that f of x equal 1 over minus 1 over x, provided x equal to not equal to 0. Now, question number 8. The given function is f of x equal x minus 1 over x plus 1, where x is not equal to minus 1. Now we will find f of x. That is, write f first. F of x is x minus 1 over x plus 1. Now we will apply f one more time. F have x minus 1 over x plus 1. Instead of f, we have to write x minus 1 over x plus 1. That is, here x minus 1 x plus 1 minus 1 over x minus 1 x plus 1 plus 1, which is equal, in numerator we'll take that LCM is x plus 1, here x minus 1, multiply x plus 1 into minus 1 is minus x minus 1 over same x plus 1 is x minus 1 plus x into 1 is x plus 1. So these two denominators cut, as well as x and x cut, which is equal minus 2 over here minus 1 and plus 1 cut, 2x, further it is equal minus 1 over x. Hence we proved. Hence we proved. Now question number 9. The function f and g are defined by f of x equal to 6x plus 8, g of x equal to x minus 2 over 3. Calculate the value of g half, and second one, write an expression for g of f of x in its simplest form. Now question number 9. Here the function is given f of x equal 6x plus 8, and g of x is given as x minus 2 over 3. Now first part of the question, g of x, which is equal g of x is x minus 2 over 3. Further apply g in g of x, that is x minus 2 over 3 minus 2 over 3, which is equal 3s LCM and x minus 2, and 3 into 2 is minus 6 over 3, which is equal x minus 8 over 3 into 3 is 9. Next, here's log x we will find. Therefore g of gx is, we will say this log x. Now we will find same color log of 2. Then is substitute x as 2, that is 2 minus 8 over 9 equal minus 6 over 9. Here or it is 6, that is x minus 8. Now we'll check it here. G of x is x minus 8 over 9. Then g of g half, not 2, this half you have to find. You have to find for x is half. So half minus 8 over 9, which is equal to 1 minus 16 over 9, that is minus 15 over 18. That means 1 minus 16 is minus 15 over 2. 2 into 9 is 18, which is equal by cut by 3, that is minus 5 over 6. Now question number 10th one, 9th one itself, g of x you have to find. Third part, g of x you have to find, that is g of f of x. F of x is 6x plus 8, 6x plus 8. Then apply for g, we have g is x minus 2, 6x plus 8, that is we have to substitute for g, the function g we have, the function g x minus 2 by 3, 6x plus 8 by 3, which is equal 6x plus 6 over 3, take out 6 common, x plus 1 over 3, cut here as 2. Therefore, the simplest form of g of x is 2 bracket x plus 1. Then question number, next question number 10 will do. Write the domain of the following real function, that is f of x equal to 2x plus 1 over x minus 9, and second x, p of x equal minus 5 over 4x squared plus 1. Third is g of x equal square root of x minus 2. Fourth is h of x equal to x plus 6. Now, question number 10th. Here, f of x equal to x plus 1 over x minus 9. Here, the domain, for domain x minus 1, x minus 9 equal to 0, therefore x equal to 9. So we should not give 9 for denominator x, that is, if you give x as 9, it becomes 9 minus 9 is 0. So denominator must not be 0, therefore domain is a real number except 9. The second part of the question, p of x equal minus 5 over 4x square plus 1. Let us give more space for this. Now second part, here for domain denominator, that is 4x square plus 1 gives 0, then 4, the second part is 4, here for domain is all real number. We can give any real number for x. We can get the real values. So domain is R. Question number third. G of x equal square root of x minus 2. Here inside the square root it should not be negative, means negative number, it won't be a real number. Therefore domain is, that means you can put it x minus 2 equal to 0. Therefore x minus 2 is greater than or equal to 0. Therefore x equal to greater or equal to 2. Therefore domain is to closed interval to infinity, the open interval. So fourth one, h of x plus 6. For this x plus 6, x can be any real number. Therefore domain is any real number. We have done. Please subscribe our YouTube channel.